Bullish COIN98 cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.12 and $2.12 by 2030. Market investigators accept C98 could reach 87 cents by 2025. Bearish COIN98 market cost expectation for 2023 is 19 cents. COIN98 presentation. Marking and token trades are two of the various state-of-the-art thoughts that have arisen in the crypto market. What's more, it gives different procuring choices to its clients through numerous elements. Sadly, exchanging among monetary standards and environments is regularly fundamental for customers to get to these capabilities, making the cycle illogical. COIN98 tries to be seen as a comprehensive DeFi arrangement that offers these functionalities, and the sky is the limit from there. It is fundamental to give reasonable arrangements as the interest for decentralized finance continues to rise around the world. Moreover, these arrangements should be essentially as accessible as could be expected on the off chance that DeFi is to get progress with the overall population. It is more straightforward for purchasers to research the different conceivable outcomes accessible as a result of COIN98's similarity with north of 20 blockchain. In this blog, we will feature COIN98 value expectation and what's in store for this promising venture. Yet, prior to effective money management, remember to look for speculation guidance from a monetary council for a productive venture. What is COIN98? All COIN98 is a thorough DeFi stage made to offer DeFi's center benefits in a single discussion. A decentralized trade, funding multi-chain wallet, token delivery, and reviewing administrations are undeniably highlighted on the COIN98 stage. COIN98 means to benefit from the market overall and be the scaffold from customary money to decentralized money, considering the fracture of DeFi across many different decentralized applications. 3 critical elements. COIN98 Adventures. It was made as a gas pedal and hatchery to help creative DeFi drives, partaking in decentralized applications and DeFi conventions in view of Solana, Ethereum, BSC, and Polkadot support the advancement of frontline and easy-to-use projects across numerous blockchain networks. What is the C98 token? With a market cap of $300 million, the C98 token is open on 3 significant blockchains: Binance, Brilliant Chain, Ethereum, and Solana. The coin has various purposes, from permitting holders to benefit from handling expenses to offering marking motivations and select participation benefits for a scope of administrations and products. Moreover, C98 permits clients can impact the convention by making ideas for the COIN98 stage. COIN98 major investigation. While other DeFi projects address cross-chain liquidity, they much of the time just help few unmistakable blockchains. Nonetheless, by obliging more than 20 blockchains, COIN98 has advanced far in excess of what is customary for the area. Space Door, a cross-chain association that empowers trading across different organizations, makes it conceivable. Without cooperative associations with Polygon, PancakeSwap, Land, Torrential Slide, Phantom, Van Convention, and Elrond, it would be unimaginable for COIN98 to enter different blockchains. All things being equal, a scaffold can be worked to get to cross-chain liquidity and arrangements by staying in contact with the different blockchain networks. A huge fan base for COIN98 exists, and they are focused on developing and propelling the cash. The people group is locked in on discussions and virtual entertainment, continually attempting to work on the coin. The group is chipping away at making digital currencies and DeFi more available, and multi-chain local trading is headed to the expansion wallet. Likewise, COIN98 can work on its whole environment and add one more aspect to DeFi adventures on other blockchains by joining more AMMs for liquidity and making more cross-chain entryways. COIN98 current cost. COIN98 is right now worth 24 cents USD. C98 has moved 3.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,505,761. COIN98 is right now positioned 365 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $54,082,307 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for COIN98 to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous COIN98 market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. COIN98 value expectation 2023. COIN98, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The C98 cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 37 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. averaging 34 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. C98 is supposed to have a base worth of 29 cents. COIN98 value expectation 2024. In 2024, COIN98 C98 cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of C98 will before long outperform 62 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the C98's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, C98 will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 49 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 54 cents. COIN98 value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 87 cents and C98 might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. C98 is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 79 cents and a low of 74 cents in 2025. COIN98 value expectation 2026. Assuming COIN98 effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the C98 coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, C98 will be green in 2026. The C98 is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.12, with a base cost of 99 cents and a typical cost of $1.05. COIN98 value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the C98 cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.30 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.25 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, C98 has a greatest value worth of $1.37. COIN98 value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.55. On the off chance that C98 figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.62. Neglecting to assemble the help C98 needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.50. COIN98 value expectation 2029. While C98 is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.75 and a yearly cost close above $1.87 in 2029. COIN98 value forecast 2030. By 2030, COIN98 will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.99 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.12, averaging out at $2.04. COIN98 value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally